I'm going to show you the process of getting a new web design request from start to finish. So the first thing that's going to happen is a new client is going to fill out this free web design request form. Once they fill this form out, you're going to get an email that's going to look like this, which will give you all the information that they submitted in the form. So you'll have the name, the company, the email, phone, all that stuff. The most important thing is going to be the list page titles. You're going to take the list page titles and you're going to make a new form for the customer, for the client to submit their content. Let me just log in real quick. What bitch? Oh. So you're gonna make a new form for each individual submission. Um, why didn't that? Oh fuck! Hold up. Did I not upload this shit? I'm sorry. Okay, let me publish that. You're gonna make a new form for each individual submission, each individual client. To make the form, you're gonna go to emailmeform.com. You're gonna put in the login and password, which is YRA3000, and then Thomas99. Once you're at emailmeform.com, this will be the first page you're going to see. You're going to go find a website content submission for whoever, and you're going to duplicate the last one that was made by clicking right here, duplicate. Once you duplicate it, you'll see at the top it'll say copy of web design website content submission. Then you're going to go into here right underneath it where it says edit and click on edit. First thing you need to do is change the name to whatever the website is. So you're going to click on this area here. Whenever you click on anything in the form, it's going to open up the information on the left side. So you're going to click on, you see whatever you click on, it clicks on over there. So the first thing you need to change is the title. You're going to click on this area, and you're going to see where it says copy of website content submission for Papo, the whatever. You're going to delete the copy of, and you're going to put in the new name here. This is not going to show up on the client's end. It's not going to show up on the website when you embed this code, but it's going to show up in the beginning so you know when you log into Email Me Form what form is what. So I'm just going to put test a client. And then from there, everything else on the form is going to be the same except for the name of the pages. So let's say this person wants a home page, you can leave that the same. They want a bio, you can leave that the same. But say they don't want mixtapes. So you're going to click on mixtapes, change the name to whatever they want to change it to over here. Once you click it, you go over here, you'll see it says field label, and you'll see the actual label, and you'll change it to whatever you want to change it to, and it'll pop up over there. You just change it back. Once it's changed, you don't got to click save or anything. It'll do it automatically, so you just keep going down. Sometimes you're going to either need to add additional pages, or you're going to need to take some pages out. So first I'll show you how to take a page out. It's pretty simple. The page is from the start of the page is right after the page break area, and then down to the page break area. So this is one page. This is the last page, the page before it, right there, page break. So the next page starts here. So if you want to delete this whole page, you're going to delete this. Everything between the page breaks, you're going to delete a page. So you delete everything between the page breaks, and then you're going to delete the last page break because there's no page to go to. There's no page there anymore. So you delete that. So that deleted the whole page. Now, if you want to make a new page, each page is going to have the exact same thing. It's going to have the title text, the text box area, the embed code area, the upload media area, and then a page break. So all you have to do is copy all of these things and then drag them to underneath the current page. So say I want to make a new page. I'm going to just go select the title information. Over here you see these two little white pieces of paper looking things. You're going to click on that to duplicate it, and then you see you have two of them now. Do the same thing with the text. I have two texts. Same thing with the embed code. I have two embed codes. Same thing with the media. You have two media files, and then same thing with the page break. All right, and then once that's done, you're gonna want to you need to drag all of these new things to the next page. So you need to drag everything past the page break. You need to make sure everything's in the same order. So the upload media is going to be the last thing that comes up. The embed code is going to be right on top of the upload media. Just drag it around to make sure everything's right. Then you're going to drag the text down here, which is going to be on top of the embed code. Then you're going to grab the title, which is going to be on top of the text. And there you have it. That's your new page. And then from there, you would just change the name of the page to whatever the new page title is, and then click save. And then you would do that continuously until you have the correct amount of pages, or you gotta, you would delete them until you have the correct amount of pages, depending on what the client is asking about. So next step, once you finish doing all these changes to the form, is you're going to scroll down to the bottom where it says Save Form. You're going to save it. You're going to go to Take Me to the Form Manager, and then you'll see the new form up here. And from there, you're going to need to copy the code. So go over to where it says Code. The code you want to use, there's a bunch of different codes here. The code that you want to use is going to be the Easy Embed code. So you can use the Easy Embed code, or you can use just the WordPress code. It's the same code. Actually, use the WordPress code because we're working with WordPress, so just use the WordPress code. So go down here to where it says Other Platforms, click on that, and then click on WordPress, the WordPress icon, and then copy that code. Now you're going to need to make a new page on GzP Designs for the client to go to input their form. So to do that, you're going to log into GzP Designs, which the login information is GzP Web is the username, and the password is Thomas99. To log in, you need to go to gzpdesigns.com/WP like WordPress -login.php. So it's gzpdesigns.com/WP-login.php, and then you put in your login information and you log in. Once you log in, you're going to go to the pages. You're going to create a new page. Just open up a page that's already been made for the website content submission, because I want everything to be uniform and look the same. So I'm going to open up this website content submission for Papo to Ellis, and I'm going to click Add New. I'm going to right click it and go to Open in a new tab so this one doesn't close. And I'm just going to go here. First of all, we're going to paste the code into the body area, which is right there. And then I'm just going to copy and paste the title, because I want all the titles to be uniform, look the same. So I'm going to copy and paste the title into the new page, change the URL to whatever the new URL is, and then that's pretty much it. And you publish it. And then once it's published, you'll see right here is the actual address to go to that page. So you're going to copy that. Now the next step is going to be, you're going to need to send an email to the client to tell them, that we got their submission and we need them to submit their information now. So your email is going to look different, obviously, but it's the same thing. So just log into your email, write a new message, and I'm going to email you a folder of all the emails. They're numbered 1, 2, 3. So you're just going to go down the line. So the first email is going to be email number 1, obviously. So let me just find it real quick. Okay. No, that's not it. Hold on. Okay. First email is email number 1. So I'm going to open up email number 1. I'm going to copy and paste within email number 1 into this email and make it simple. Just waiting for the Word to open up. So here's the first email. As you can see, it says, "Thank you for choosing GzP for your web design needs. Let's get started on your website, blah, 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 blah." So I'm going to copy that and go back to the email and just, right one. Let me just do a different one. copy that. We'll go to your email, write a new email, and then just paste that into your email. It's all already formatted and everything, so just paste that into your email, and all you have to change is the particular link that this email is going to. So where it says go to website content submit form, I should say content submission form. So where it says go to website content submission form, you're just going to select that whole text area, and you're going to go to wherever the link information is on your email. Your email is going to look different because I got Thunderbird. I'm using a different kind of email client, but whatever the link is, just link that text to the specific page of the client where you have the form. So I just got to copy that again, and then just link that text to it. Wait, did I paste it? Yeah. Link that text to it, and then send the email out. And then once they get that email, they're going to fill all that information out. That's going to come back to you, and then you're going to get the email that will have all their content in it. Actually, then you'll be done, because the rest I'll do. I'll send everything out myself, because everything's in an email template. So that's pretty much the gist of it. If you got any questions, let me know.